Hi everyone, once again welcome to Digital Journey. In this video we'll discuss about the Facebook Ads Library. So what you have to do, you have to go to the Google, you have to search for the Facebook Ads Library. You have to search for Facebook Ads Library. Once you will click on the Facebook Ads Library, you will see the results here. Just click on the first link. Once you will click on the first link, the Facebook Ads Library will be look like this. So what is the main purpose of the Facebook Ads Library? You can see that search of all the ads currently running across Meta technology as well as about social issue, electronic sports. So basically from the ads library you can find any kind of the ads that is currently running. So how we can find the ads? You have to select your location, like India location is there, and now you have to select the ad category. If the ad category is related to issue, election or politics, then you can select this. Otherwise, if you want to see all ads, just to select this. You have to enter the keyword here. Suppose you want to run for the health industry, so just to have to health, type the health. Once you will type the health, all the posts will be reflected, all the brands will be reflected here who is currently running the ads. You can see here Sachik Raj. If you type here just say full body checkup, once you will type the full body checkup, you will see the brands who are running ads on the full body checkup. So you can see here. So in this way we can identify like which brands is running the ads. You can also select via the brand's name. Suppose if you want to select here, so currently no ads, like currently we are not running any kind of the ads. You can select with the brand. Suppose this is the particular brands, click on this. If you like this particular page, this particular photo, so you can go to their page via click on this. Once you will click on that particular things, you will go to the page of this particular brand. So you can check all the previous post that has been done in the particular channel, in the particular page. So you can also check via the advertiser. This is the advertiser, that is the full body checkup. Once you will click on this, so you will see all the ads that is running from that particular ad account. Okay, so currently no ads is running from that. Right now we have searched for the health or mental health. So here you can see that if I am selling the digital marketing course, just I have to search for the digital marketing course. Once I will search for the digital marketing course, all the ads that is running, so all that's related to digital marketing course will be reflected here. You can see here or image also. You can take the idea for the, you can see the multiple ads. Person is opening the particular running the digital marketing course ads. So you can see here, this is also running the ads, that is learn digital marketing just at 99 rupees. Here you can see that so multiple businesses are running the digital marketing course. So basically from that you can just have an idea like how your competitor is performing the ads, how your competitor is running the ads. So if you want to see the ads of any ads, suppose if you want to see the details of these ads, so just have to click on the see ad details. Once you will click on the see ad details, the ad details will be reflected here. Here you can see that started like all from which date this particular company has started running this ad. This company started running ad from 14 November 2024, and the platform, on which platform the ad is running, and the caption is there, like what are the caption their company using. So this is the caption, and here in bottom you can see that the particular button is there. Here about the advertiser is there. In the advertiser you can see that the more info is there. In the more info, this is the company info. So this is the company Facebook page, this is the company Insta page, and this is the caption, this is the creator. So in this way you can match the caption, you can just get an idea about the caption. This is the course, this is particular thing. So when you click on the click, so more details, so here the caption is there and the creative is there, and about the advertiser is there, you can check their Facebook page. So in this way you have to research on your competitors, like how your competitors is doing. So once you have done your research with the competitor part, then you have to work on this particular part. Okay, so this is the main part of this. So from the Facebook ads library, we can have an idea like how the competitor is performing, how the competitor is working on the ads creative. You can check out the caption, you can check out the creative. So on the suggestion of this creative, you can create your self creative, and you can also create your custom captions. So this is the great way to do the research before you publish any ads on the Facebook. So in the filter tabs, you can also check here like in which language the ads is there, and the advertiser you can select, the platform you can select on which platform you want to check the ads, and you can active status you can select, and from date you can select apply. So in this way you can check the ads detail from the competitor what they are running. So you will scroll down, so you will see the ads running from many past dates. You can see that 14. So you will scroll below the 14. So means once you will basically from the ads library, you will just have an idea how the ads is performing, how your competitor is running running the ads. So on the basis of the competitor research, we can just do the research from the competitors, and we can create our own campaigns. So that's all about the Facebook ads library. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Have a nice day. Take care.